So this one, sometimes students see this and they're like, oh, you know what, I quit. It's like, it's not that bad. It really isn't that bad. So don't let this intimidate you. Just work one part at a time. So some students like to just work with the two binomials, get your, what will be a trinomial looks like, and then distribute the 2a. I personally am just going to distribute the 2a first, which means right now, just right now, I'm not even worried about that other binomial. We'll see it. We'll see it. Okay, now I've covered that up. We'll see it again. I just don't care about it right now because I'm not working with it. So work with one part at a time if you can, right? Split the problem into smaller, more manageable parts if you can, like I've just done right there. So right off the bat, I'm going to distribute 2a's right here. 2a times 2a would be 2 times 2 is 4, a times a is a squared. So I am skipping a little couple steps here, I think. Then 2a's times 8 would result in positive 16a's. And that's just from that multiplication right there. Now you'll notice I'm going to put this in parentheses, and now I will uncover that other binomial, which is a minus 4. Okay, so now we just have some more stuff to multiply, some more distribution. FOIL if you want. So let's get started then. 4a squared times an a. You could say 1a if you like. 4 times 1 is 4, and then a squared times a would result in an exponent of 3. Now I got 4a squared times negative 4. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16, and then the a squared remains. Now we got 16a positive times just an a, so it's positive 16, and then we got 2 a's right there. So it's an exponent though, right? So again, if you go back to exponent rules, 1 plus 1 is 2, and then finally 16a's times negative 4 should 16 times negative 4 should be negative 64, and then keep the a. So again, we see the two middle terms are combinable. So let's go ahead and combine those. So yeah, a squareds, right? I didn't expect this to happen. But negative 16a squareds plus 16a squareds is going to be 0 a squareds. Again, it's kind of unusual for that to happen. Expect that term to exist most of the time, but perhaps not now. So 4a cubed plus 0a squared minus 64a. And then, yeah, just to make everyone feel good inside, 4a cubed minus 64a.